In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Batgirl Jim Lee suit. Download the mod. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open this Lego Batman lot DK and open content packs. Check my video description for this text. Copy this text and then I click on blank area and select new and select folder. Paste the text we copied and press enter. Open the mods and drag and drop these mod files inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the M key and go to the second option and select the Batgirl. It selects suit options. The mod creator mentioned Batman 66. This is the one it replaces. And the mod is working. We have successfully equipped the skin. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.